In our everyday lives, we encounter different informations from different sources, and we get those informations from the internet, print media, and to our peers also. But how can we assure that those information they share are reliable? We all know that because of the advancement of technology, informations became accessible to anyone. And we cannot deny the fact that there are a lot of fake news spread out. Fake news is everywhere. We have to be aware. So what is fake news? Fake news is a false or inaccurate information that is presented as fact. The story itself is fabricated with no verifiable facts and sources, intentionally designed to mislead the reader.
Nowadays, it's hard to differentiate the truth from all the lies. Let us be more vigilant when spotting fake news, because the ability to tell accurate news from the fake one is an important skill that we use for the rest of your life, as this will give you insights on dealing fact information online.
Spread of fake news can have both personal and academic consequences. In this perfect world, everything reported would be based only on facts, and you would be able to trust that media you consume is reliable or true. But unfortunately, that's not the case. You should learn to spot the false information because it can have many consequences, such as fake news can lead into misunderstanding that can affect the people involved. Fake news can harmful to our health, the emotionally and mentally health.
Fake news make it harder for people to see the truth. Fake news can cause damaging of the reputation of a person. Fake news can mislead and causing people to misinform and disseminate wrong information. And lastly, fake news can develop fear and propagate such ideas that are not good for peace and harmony.
What are the ways to stop fake news? Step 1. Check the source. What does it mean? Well, it means that when reading a story, find out more information about the author, about the website. In other words, look for contact details and the vision and check the About Us page. So for short, it denotes that we should not trust any information that does not come from a credible source. Step 2. Be critical. This is very important since fake news is designed to be believable and demand reactions such as anger, panic, and fear. Well, at this point, we need to stop and ask ourselves, why did the author write this story? Or else, why did they share this picture? Step 3. Look for facts. In looking for facts, we need to check the picture and the information shown in the shared story. Is there a connection between the two? Another one, check for supporting trusted sources. Has anybody else written about the same story? If an image is shared, then check if it is not recycled. Use search engines like www.google.com and fact-checking sites to investigate and verify the information gathered.
Step 4. Be objective. Fake news is also designed to appeal to your biases. Therefore, remember that what you believe should not affect your judgment. Make sure you always use your common sense and also refer to other points of view on the same information. Step 5. Share facts. If you recognize fake news, help us stop the spread by sharing the evidence you have found from credible fact-checking sources with others. It is more effective to say something. Step 6. Report fake news. Fake news in this work refers to disinformation, misinformation, and malinformation. You should take an action to report if you have saw or seen a fake news.
No to fake news.
To fake news.
No to fake news.
No to fake news.